Happy New Year, guys! It's day 91 of my Binance Alpha volume trading, and today could not have started any better. But as usual, the first thing I do is to visit the Binance Alpha volatility checker to find the 4x multiplier tokens with the most stable price movement. Once I find such a token, I check the charts to confirm that I'm not buying at a very big green candle or multiple consecutive green candles. Lisa has been stable for days now and has been extremely stable for the past 48 hours. So this is the perfect chart that you want for your Binance Alpha trading. Just like code, Lisa has been stable at 0.168. Once you find a chart like this, you head straight to the trade. And this is an example of an order book in equilibrium, or a perfect order book as I call it. You can see all the limit entries are the same or almost the same. The only difference is in the last two places after the decimal point. So all the entries here are approximately at 0.168. So in this case, I use my reverse limit orders to buy and sell immediately at 0.168. So let's see how it works. So here you can see I set my buy order at 0.168005 and my reverse sell order at 0.168. And I hit buy, confirm, and you see my orders trigger immediately. I repeat this as many times as I need until I complete my volume for the day. Remember, I'm only using less than $250 per trade, so I'll need to make more trades to rack up a 65.6k volume. But it doesn't matter, since I'll be using my reverse limit orders to buy and sell immediately at the same price. So this is reverse limit orders in action, helping you to buy and sell immediately. And this is the perfect condition for using reverse limit orders, because you don't even have to worry about price volatility. With this strategy, it cost me $3.27 to rack up a 16-point trading volume using Lisa. A very good day if you ask me, and I wish every day can be like this so I can finish my trading in less than 20 minutes and move on to other things. If you want to learn my Binance Alpha strategy, or you're looking to get started on Binance Alpha, I've made a comprehensive video guide for you. You'll find the link to the video in the description or in the comments. In this video, you'll discover everything you need to know about Binance Alpha, including how I find the best tokens to trade, the best time to trade, and how you can minimize your portfolio risk and trading fees. If you have any questions about my strategy or Binance Alpha, let me know in the comments. If you haven't claimed your 5 bonus alpha points, you have until January 4 to do so. If you don't know how to get the 5 bonus points on Binance Alpha, I've made a guide for you. You will find the link to the video in the description or in the comments. And that's it for today. Stay safe. I'll see you on day 92. Happy New Year, and I wish you a prosperous 2026.